Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Here, we stand firm in our devotion to the cause and to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, champion leader of the Indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. We bring you bold, Nigerian service chief, police and political corruption in turmoil, a state of great disturbance, confusion, and uncertainty, happening in the total damnation of zoological republic. If foundation be destroyed, what shall the righteous citizens do? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise.
President Donald Trump revealed the 25 names of Nigerians who contribute in ruining the economy of Nigeria. This is what Nigerians are passing through for over 3 decades. And this continue waxing strong on daily basis. Looting has become a role model in Nigeria. But should we continue like this? That is the question I ask.
1. Atiku Abubakar, JP Morgan Bank, New York, with $12.9 billion. Bukola Saraki, American Express Bank, New York, $2.5 billion. Bala Muhammad, Wells Fargo Bank, San Francisco, $2.3 billion. Ahmad Idris, Citigroup Bank, New York, $2.1 billion. Nasser Arafai, Citigroup Bank, New York, $1.6 billion. Femi Adesina, U.S. Bangkok Bank, Minnesota, $1.9 billion. Tukur Bratai, BB&T Bank, North California, $1.9 billion. Ayodele Fayoshe, Ally Financial Bank, $3.5 billion. Wike Nielsen, American Bank, $5.2 billion. Leah Muhammad, Ally Financial Bank, $1.9 billion. Sule Lamido, Unity BS Bank, $2.6 billion. Patient Jonathan, Bank of America, $11.3 billion. Amina Zakari, Citigroup Bank, New York, $1.8 billion. Baba Haruna Jawo, Ally Financial Bank, $2.2 billion. Umaru Dambata, Bank of America, $1.7 billion. Aliyu Gusau, Ally Financial Bank, $1.7 billion. Baba Tunde Fashola, American Bank, $1.4 billion. Rotimi Amechi, SSA Financial Bank, $1.6 billion. Olusegun Miko, North Bank AA, $4.7 billion. Baba Gana, Mungwano Financial Bank, Detroit, $1.8 billion. Habibu Abdullahi, U.S. Bangkok Bank, $1.7 billion. Sadiq Abubakar, State Street Corporation Bank, $1.8 billion. Nena D. Usuma, Citigroup Bank, New York, $6.3 billion. Babachir David Lawal, BB Financial Bank, $987 million. Aisha Hadi Sirika, AA Financial Bank, $976 million. Bola, the last but not the least, Bola Tinubu, $22.2 billion. What a shame. See how PDP and APC are fighting crime and corruption. But this is how we end. Look at the way our money is being looted and being kept in foreign countries. Thank God Donald Trump came to expose all this. If not, how on earth I and you should know this? When will Nigeria stand and to cater for her citizens, to cater for her countries. And I thank God now that the foreign bodies are beginning to put eye into Nigeria.
Does that mean that nobody will speak for Nigerians? Nobody will speak for Nigerians. Is that what we are seeing? No. Something has to be done.